Type address House for 1 minute and provides extended remarks.
Without objection, the gentleman from Texas is recognized.
Mr. Speaker, the American dream is alive and well in Texas 22. It's alive in the South Loop Ellington area, and it's alive and thriving at Tony's Pizza and Grinders. Tony's is a walking, talking American dream. Tony's, in 1990, the Cannoli family left war-torn Kosovo. They started their life here in Michigan. But shortly, they saw the bright light of the Lone Star State and moved to Texas. That's where they started Tony's. The Cannolis are special because they care more about others than about making dollars. During Hurricane Harvey, they gave free food to the Southeast Volunteer Fire Department so they could keep saving lives. If you want the freshest, the best pizza in America, try the Miss Marie. That's amore. I yield back.
For what purposes does the gentlewoman from New York seek recognition?